In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix unable to load conversation in ChatGPT. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, there's a few different things or reasons why this could be happening, but the best thing to do is just open up your ChatGPT application, then swipe, and then you're going to see your profile icon on the top right. Go ahead and scroll down all the way to the bottom and log out and then log back in. If that doesn't work, go over to your app store, then go over to your profile icon on the top right, then go over to app updates and see if ChatGPT is one of the applications on your phone that needs an update. If it's not, then what you want to do is go to settings, scroll down, go to general, then go to iPhone storage, and then search up ChatGPT right here. Once you do, go ahead and click on it, and then what you want to do is offload the application. This is going to free up storage used by the app, but keeps its documents and data. And then reinstalling the app is going to reinstate your data if the app is still available to download. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.